Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757 working on a Mazda. CX-7. If your engine is set up just like this, there was an air box right there, I'm working on it, but your engine looks like this and you are leaking from this side and your leak is coming from in this area, it is because this right here goes against the block like this, and there is a gasket right behind it leaking. This part right here is the water outlet. There's your part number from Dorman. You're gonna, if you order it on Amazon and take this number, you will get 10 times cheaper than you will get at Advance or AutoZone. No one's paying me to say this, but I'm here to help you guys the best way I can. So if you have this type of engine and you're having a leak on this side of the engine, there's your leak. It is coming from 9 times out of 10. If you can see a bunch of puddle right here, there's a gasket behind this. It is leaking its butt off. This is just a mechanic tip. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And please leave comments and positiveness. Thank you.